teach us. Now, I realize being the advocate of this advocacy, no? Pag marami ka palang lingwahe, isa doon mako-compromise. Maybe that's why I failed Chinese. Because in the house, we are talking already Maguindanao, meron pang Tagalog, may tuturo pang English. The fourth language is really compromised if you have well, it's not an excuse. Sabi ko nga kay Shensi, I failed because I did not study. And it took me courage to admit that. But nevertheless, thank you. Okay? And we want to make this very special moment. That's why we brought you here sa facade ng high school building because this is the best building in this campus. Okay? So, and of course, if we're here, it becomes nostalgic. Everything is recalled, no? So, pati yung basketball, kanina pinupuno nila, dito daw sila nadapa, somewhere, yun. So, everything brings back memories. So, Sherby will now introduce you a very special traveled half the world from Paul, Chicago? Where's Paul Chua? Yeah. Sherby will introduce our very...
各位老师，谢谢你们在百忙之中抽空来参加我们这个派对。对不起，我是临时被叫上来主持的，所以有说什么不好的话，请多多包涵。现在我们想请我们的1993年的我们的前立。我们的第一名的那个蔡金杰给我们致辞。
Hello. I was also asked by Ben, Doc Ben, earlier to make us welcome remarks. So I just wrote it down because I can't memorize it. Okay, so it has been written that behind every person's pathway in life are handprints of many that shape that life as orchestrated by the Almighty. For those who are blessed in having been through formal education, the majority of this influence comes from the sweat, sacrificial, persevering love and instruction of our dear teachers. It is this acknowledgement that we, your CCI 93 batch, are moved to honor each and every teacher that have come to this event tonight. From the bottom of our hearts, our biggest gratitude and thanks. So thank you. I have recently been made aware that the arrangement of tonight's teacher event is somewhat unique from past years. You may have noticed that this event is situated right on the quadrangle in front of the high school building to hopefully resurrect memories and thoughts of the past, because it is by remembering that deep gratitude can be more solemnly expressed. The fruits of your labor have resulted in professionals in all sorts of places. Some are medical doctors, some entrepreneurs, and all of us in places intended for us to honor our maker, parents, and teachers. As a small token of this gratitude, your 93 batch is excited to share with you something that is symbolic of your big heart towards us, your students. One that would represent our desire to take care of the heart that took care of ours for many years. Written in the invitation for tonight's event speaks perfectly of this desire. And I quote, "It takes a big heart to help shape little minds." That's what you saw in the invitation. Our batch president, Mr. Conrado Piquinto, will speak more of this symbol in more detail later in his address. So with no further ado, on behalf of your batch 93, it is my great pleasure and privilege to welcome all of you to our teacher honoring event.
May we now hear from Mrs. Abelarde the response for the teachers. Okay, walang paborito-paborito ito. The reason why we have Mrs. Abelarde is because she's both teacher and mother to Janelle Danyo, which is our classmate. Of course, nandiyan si Mrs. Ko, Mrs. Jerome Ko, and also Kidi Tan for Roy Patrick, and also Mrs. Kalungsod. But naunang nagyas si Ma'am Abelarde. So, Ma'am Abelarde?
我们现在来欢迎朱丽丹 Abelarde Daniel 来为我们致辞。
Good evening, everyone. I am not Mrs. Abelarde. I'm Mrs. Daniel. I am not the wife of my father. It's okay, it's okay. Good evening, everyone. My greetings to all the faculty and staff, present or in absentia. School administrators, CCI Box 93, my fellow teachers who are not anymore connected in the school, but still connected by heart. Merry Christmas to all of us. I am pleased and honored to have been asked to give my short message on this rare occasion of this Box 93. I was still a little bit younger when I first stepped at Cotabato City Institute as a fresh graduate, classroom teacher advisor. I had that roller coaster emotion because I knew this institution was far beyond excellence. As far as we teachers knew, CCI was the best stepping ground for a new teacher like me. I was challenged. I got scared, but I was sharpened. More so, when my daughter, Janelle, had her basic education here, I was so proud as a mother. I was so proud as a teacher. Imagine having your daughter had her basic quality educational foundation in this school with all the best educators of Cotabato City Institute will bring bright future to any child who studied here. I owe my teaching career for 9 years at CCI. This was where I learned to value my family, my students, all batches, my colleagues, and most of all, my value of gratitude. Itong para lang ito ang nagbigay ng lahat-lahat ng pangangailangan ng mga anak ko, parents, at sa sarili ko mismo. I owe a lot from this school. My stay here was so fulfilling. Especially, I had Mrs. Antonina Atienza, my mentor, my advisor, and my second mother, and my friend. Thank you, Ma'am Nins, for having you as my friend here. I owe many things from her. My former students were so challenging, but I loved them so much, especially this batch. You let me feel I was a family where I belong, despite of my many flaws. This school can be great again and can be on top of all schools in the city. Every alumna and alumnus should work together, meeting minds on how to bring back the glory of Cotabato City Institute. We understand why students and children enrolled in other schools outside Cotabato City. It was because of peace and order situation here. That was before. But now that our city mayor, Honorable Cynthia Gani Sayadi, who is also an alumna of this school, is doing great and in control of everything. So bring back your children here and have this school be great again. On the part of my colleagues before, we are sad that every news that we hear that students are getting fewer each school year, we don't know. Maybe parents are still afraid to send their children here because of the problem of peace and order in the city. But now, I think everything is in control. I am reiterating to all batches, send your children here. In this way, the glory of Cotabato City Institute will be hers again. Bring back the prestige of our school. Thank you, and more power to all.
There is some clamor to maybe hear from one of the greatest disciplinarian we ever had in this school. Okay. And the one primarily who taught us to speak English very well.
我的脸我已经忘了，他们曾经是我的学生。OK， 很高兴啊，祝你们圣诞快乐。OK， 再过2天就是你们要表演的校友会，你们要主持的节目。OK， 希望你们能尽你们的力量，尽你们的一切来完成你们的乐队怎么样？
So, actually, you did not only learn in mathematics, but also I learned from you. So, with that, I cannot forget those moments that we have. Especially yung section B. Section B. Kasi yan ang advisory class ko. Then, every afternoon, we have a basketball here. Diba? That's why pagpasok ko kanina, I saw boys playing basketball and I remember those days. And not only for 4B, but also 4A also. Yeah. So, I really enjoy your company when we had our paper rafting, afterwards. So, we fell several times. 3 times, no? 3 times. So, but it's a great experience with you. So, siguro I will not prolong anymore. Si Ma'am Basco, no, ngayon ko lang naalala, kanina sabi ko, sino ba ito? Ang aming palang department head, si Ma'am Basco. Hindi ko kagad siya napansin kanina. This time special mention, Ma'am Basco. So, si Paul din, this is the first time that I saw you. I see you, no? Then, sino pa? Kasi, ngayon ang dumating, no? For how many reunion that we have here? Parang pang fifth ko na ito na reunion. Maybe baka ito na yung last ko kasi ito yung batch na last na nagturo ako, then I left CCI. Na? So with that learnings that I have with you, katulad nga ni Ma'am Charito, we already also applied that one in the public school. Until I become education program supervisor in mathematics right now at the Department of Education. So, sad to note lang, kasi every time that we have a math challenge, ako yung in charge ng math challenge, parang hindi na nagsashine sa ang CCI. Na? Parang nawawala na, pumapasok na kasing Einstein and Notre Dame Village National High School. So, I hope with the advocacy of Ma'am Julie Danyo, na yung mga anak nyo kung pwede paaralin nyo dito, no? Para magkaroon naman ng prestige, especially in Math Challenge. So, pag meron kayong mga anak na merong Math Challenge ngayong January 17 ata yun, elimination round. So, makikita nyo ako doon. So, good evening to all of you. Just enjoy the night.
Notre Dame Hospital, makita ko yung kanyang pangalan doon. Sabi ko, pangalan, ang clinic niya eh. Hindi, nakatago. Kasi hindi siguro ayaw yung tanggapin magpaano. Kasi, you know, pag ikaw yung getting older or younger, ay nag-diminish yung mga senses natin, di ba? So sabi ko, baka problema siya pag ako yung magpakonsulta sa kanya na medyo deteriorate yung aking pandinig. Anyway, time will come, I will visit you, Doctor. Congratulations sa inyong lahat kasi inibita nyo kami dito ngayon. I'm so glad na nagkita-kita tayo. Nag-iba kasi yung mga kanyo, lalo kayong gumaganda eh. Sa totoo lang. Kasi ngayon ko na nakikilala, I cannot recognize you. Unless you are going to identify yourselves, introduce yourselves to us. This is one thing, no? Ito ang isang kahinaan ng mga teachers. Marami nang dumaan sa aming pagtuturo. At minsan, parang ako ay ma-offend na, Sir, kilala mo ba ako? Yes, I know you, although na minsan kalimutan na. But, sabi ko, medyo karami-rami na ninyo, I can't remember you. Will you please introduce yourselves to me? Yun lang talaga. Para talaga sa katotohanan, hindi namin makikilala kayo lahat sa karami-rami ninyo. Imagine, I stayed here for 23 years. 1999 na ako lumabas dito, malis, pumunta sa Notre Dame Village National High School at doon napakarami rin. So, kayo na magpasensya na, please excuse us. Kung sakaling ko yung ma-recognize, yung makasama natin yung mga teachers, kasi makita-kita kami doon sa mega market, namamalingki sila. Ako naman kumukuha ng basura. Anong minakuha ko? Yung pakpak ng repolyo, sako-sako yan. At yan ang ginagamit kong pakain sa aking mga alaga. Mayroon akong duck racing sa likod ng bahay. And dyan ako talagang nasisihan. Although na mahirap, no? Oh, I retired 2012 at ngayon, nako, ang buhay ay napakaganda. And I'm already 71 years old. So, I retired 2012 and I received the title of PhD. Doctor of Philosophy ko, no? But actually, that is not it is an acronym of another profession. It is related to our spiritual life. PhD meaning, hindi na Doctor of Philosophy, but it is paglilingkod habang buhay sa Diyos. So dyan ako ngayon, connected sa Cathedral, sa Notre Dame University Chapel. Sa Bahay Maria ako dyan ang resident kaabag at I am performing di kasaulugan, preaching to the old ones, sabi ko sa kanila, time will come na baka ako i-abandon ng mga anak ko, dito rin ako pupunta. Marami kayo rin. Maraming mga Chinese dyan na nandyan, malala pa. Pumanaw na. A prominent and successful businesswoman dyan sa Bahay Maria. At saka may isa pa, kilala sa Bahay Maria. Doon kami nagkita-kita. Sabi ko, uy, kasi every now and then I asked the residents, sabi ko, may nadagdag ba? May attendance ba? May nadagdag ba? O may nabawas? Sir, may nadagdag. Oh, may nadagdag. Binanggit ang pangalan. Wow, nilapitan ko. Hinaplos ako. Oh. I can't believe that you will hear. You will be here. No? Pero, siguro, yun ang kapalaran. Gulong ng palad. Minsan, tayo si taas. Minsan, si baba. We cannot predict ano mangyari sa atin. That's why, mga kapatid, be ready always. Anytime tayo ay mawala sa mundo. Life is like a drama. Let us be prepared always para sa ating ikalawang buhay kung tayo na ay kukunin ng Panginoon sapagkat ang ating buhay ay hiram sa Diyos lamang. Anytime God will take that life to us. So to the alumni batch 1993, thank you very much. Nakita-kita tayo, nahibag, nakita ko sa school, ang quadrangle, napadas natin dito, nagmarcha-marcha tayo noon. Napakaganda balikan yung mga laana. At saka, makita ko kayo noon, galit kayo sa akin dahil talagang stricto, no? Kasi that's military. You obey first before you complain. No moving, stop moving. Pero, maganda naman ang resulta. Ngayon wala nang military, wala nang instruction ganito. Ano nangyari? Marami ang hindi sa tuwing na landas. Pero tayo, disiplina nun eh. There was really, at ngayon they are still aspiring that they will revive the military instruction in school because of the favorable effects of this. So sa inyong lahat, marahil, ilan lang yung iba, may anak, no? Illegal children, may anak sa kung saan-saan. I am congratulating all of you because you are already ready to have your family. I hope the instruction given by your mentors in CCI before ay patuloy ninyong ginagamit as a guide of your journey in life. Thank you very much and congratulations. Good luck sa palabas ninyo sa 28. I hope your palabas will be a success. Sa aming lahat, congratulations and God bless you and your family. Thank you very much.
Marami akong ipagpapasalamat sa school na ito kasi kumbaga pa bilang new graduate, dito talaga ako naghubog ng mabuti. So kung ano yung naging experiences ko dito, I was able to use it in my service in public school. And meron akong isang na-miss dito. Si Bangbang. Bangbang na-miss ko kasi before siya nawala, nag-usap kami, lumabas pa kami, nag-banding. So, I know na happy siya ngayon na nakatingin sa akin. And nabanggit ko siya kasi, syempre, no, naging student ko rin siya at nagkaroon kami ng chance na mag-usap before siya mawala dito na I feel lucky. Masaya din ako kasi naging students ko kayo. I am very proud of you. No? Lahat ng CCIan, pinagmamalaki ko yan na naging students ko kayo. Thank you.
年你们的好机会，所以你们要好好完成你们的任务。OK， 祝大家圣诞快乐，新年万事如意。OK，Thank you， 谢谢。
At kung meron mang
我很高兴今天晚上跟你们见面。那么你们这一班能有这个因水施盐的态度，让我们老师们都很高兴。因水施盐，它的意思就是说，怎么讲呢 ？When you drink water, you should know the source. Saan galing ang tubig? 所以呢，你们今天你们还能记得你们的老师你们的学校，我们都觉得很高兴你们要多多加油祝你们圣诞快乐。
Seldom attend parties like this anymore because with our age, with my age, I'm already 82 years old. But still very active in the Facebook. I am reaching my students through Facebook, greeting them, answering them, and seeing their activities anywhere they go. So tonight, I feel so happy to see all of you again. Some we cannot recognize anymore. And then a mixed emotion also because we miss our colleagues who are not here anymore. When Julie was having her speech there, tears also roll in my cheek because I feel sad remembering our other colleagues who are not here. But I'm sure they are all around looking at us tonight.
Yes.
So I think that's all what I can say. Thank you.
You are batch 93, no? First batch was in 1951. The best batch was in 1951. So I came exactly December 1, 1951. And after 3 months, I was able to make our camp play the Kotao Chungwa and Pambansangawi at that time. The members, I can still remember the members. That is the first generation of members that I have trained here in CCI. Because I hold the distinction of being a trainer of 2 generations. Father and son, mother and daughter. I think you will believe that because you have witnessed that until now I am still active in training 2 bands here in Cotabato. Throughout the years, I have never stopped teaching because when I retired at 65 years old, I still continued rendering service to several schools. I'd like to inform you that all in all, in Cotabato City, including Marawi, I have been a bandmaster for 7 schools, all at the same time. All at the same time. I had to go to MSU Marawi morning on Saturday, take the plane via Iligan, and then hold my band class at 1 o'clock up to 5. And then the following morning, I come back to Cotabato to resume my duty in CCI at 7 o'clock every morning. Tayo lang ang eskwelahan na mag-plug ceremony every morning with the band. Yes. Yes, every morning with the band. And I am proud to say that, you know it, we had the best margarettes, the most beautiful margarettes in town. Not to say that we had the best band. Huh? The people will be the witness that every time there is a parade, there are activities out at the plaza. They always wait for the band. for the CCI, I would say. Hindi possible I don't mention, I avoid mentioning the band because parang I am trumpeting my own accomplishment. No, Ben, mahirap lang. It's not my habit of trumpeting my own accomplishment. Lalo lang, low profile. Our band has gone to Davao for a concert way back in 1954. 1954, Fiesta. There were 6 bands that were playing at the time. Concert Fiesta nila, no? Our band was the only band that comprised purely students. Ang mga members nung araw sila Robert Hughes, sila William sila Robin Go. Tomas Atienza was only 10 batch. So I would like to say that I have witnessed how the Chinese school started from a lowly school. Until it became one of the best in Cotabato City. As mentioned by Mrs. Abilate, I believe literally. I have seen their accomplishments also. Being here for almost 48 years, almost half a century. And I'm very glad, I'm very happy to be able to witness your 25th year.
Sagutin daw niya college fund, saka house and lot.
CCI. The 25th year where we are holding a reunion now. So, that's all I can say. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Teachers from grade 1 hanggang 4th year high school. So this is I just want to share this poem to you. Yung title nito is The Heart of a Teacher. I once become a teacher also. That's why this is quite parang na-fan ako dito, na-amaze ako dito sa poem na to. At sabi ko, this is a fitting poem that will be shared sa inyo as our tribute. Okay, so, Heart of a Teacher. The child arrives like a mystery box with puzzle pieces inside. Some of the pieces are broken or missing, and others just seem to hide. But the heart of a teacher can sort them out and help the child to see the potential for greatness he has within, a picture of what he can be. Her goal isn't just to teach knowledge by filling the box with more parts. It's putting the pieces together to create a work of art. The process is painfully slow at times. Some need more help than others. Each child is a work in progress. With assorted shapes and colors, first he creates a classroom where the child can feel safe in school, where he never feels threatened or afraid to try. And kindness is always the rule. She knows that a child can achieve much more when he feels secure inside, when he's valued and loved, and believes in himself. And he has a sense of pride. She models and teaches good character and respect for one another. how to focus on strengths, not weaknesses, and how to encourage each other. She gives the child the freedom he needs to make choices on his own. So he learns to become more responsible and is able to stand alone. He's taught to be strong and think for himself as his soul and spirit heal, and the puzzle that's taking shape inside has a much more positive feel. The child discovers the joy that comes from learning something new, and his vision grows as he begins to see all the things he can do. A picture is formed as more pieces fit an image of the child within. With greater strength and confidence, and a belief that he can win, all because a hero was there in the heart of a teacher who cared, enabling the child to become much more than he ever imagined or dared. A teacher with a heart for her children knows what teaching is all about. She may not have all the answers, but on this she has no doubt. When asked which subjects she loved to teach, she answers this way and smiles. It's not the subject that matters. It's all about teaching the child. Dear teachers, thank you very much for giving us your heart, for molding us kung ano kami ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyo. In behalf of the batch 1993, we want to say thank you very much. Good evening po.
It's a big heart to help shape little minds. Now it's time for us to take care of you as well. So this token may be, well, it's quite expensive, but we did not really try to beat the benchmark. If you understand what I mean. I mean, you know, you have received from the previous batches more expensive gift, but I rest assured this is very much purposeful. Okay, so classmates.
Hold me